Hi, my name is Ava and I'm part of the Girl Scout troop.
I will be teaching you how to make a board game. Let's learn how to make a board game. Here are all the supplies you need. A poster board, a pencil, an eraser, a Sharpie, crayons, dice, and game pieces. First, you want to trace lightly with the pencil the way you want your game to look. Then you want to make the tiny squares. Then Sharpie over it when you are done. When you are done with that, put questions in the boxes, any questions you like. Some of the questions I put were, name 5 TV shows and name 5 games you like to play.
You can choose to make the questions educational or fun. A topic that you can use is Disney. Some of the questions you can write are, name 5 Disney princesses or name 5 Disney Channel TV shows.
Another option to fill the boxes with are stuff like go back to start and roll again.
You do not have to do these, but it is an option.
If you would like, you can color the boxes and any pictures around the game. It should then look like this. How do you play? You play this game by rolling the dice and moving that many spaces. If you answer the question wrong, you don't go again. If you answer the question right, you roll again. You win by being the first person to reach the finish square.
This game can be played with as many people as you like, as long as you have enough board game pieces for everyone. You're using your game pieces and dice from the game Clue, but you can use any board game you like. If you do not have any or enough game board pieces, you can use paper clips or erasers or any small household objects. I hope you have fun making and playing this game, and I hope you have a great summer.